Experience the future of waterjet cutting through the groundbreaking partnership of Flex Machine Tools and IGEMS. With IGEMS cutting-edge CAD/CAM software, the FlexJet delivers unmatched precision and efficiency. Designed with user-friendliness at its core, the FlexJet HMI revolutionizes your waterjet cutting. This intuitive system seamlessly integrates with the IGEMS CAD/CAM software, streamlining your workflow, and its advanced nesting capabilities take efficiency to a whole new level in the waterjet space. Elevating precision to new heights, the FlexJet's 5-axis waterjet cutting head, known as the tilter, stands out as a marvel of engineering. With the IGEMS technology, the tilter boasts advanced functionalities such as the rounder for kinematic compensation and the straighter for maintaining perpendicular angles. These features are meticulously designed to cater to the intricate needs of diverse materials and cutting requirements, to ensure unparalleled accuracy in the waterjet cutting process. So dive into the cutting edge of waterjet technology with FlexJet and IGEMS, where precision meets innovation in every cut.